Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about before start to learn reactJs, beginners must learn top 8 JS concepts. What are those? Let's go and see one by one. So the first one, arrow function, shorthand. So already I did it here, right? Like in the traditional function expression, it should be like this guys in JavaScript, and function and parameters and function body. So if you have any arrow function, constant arrow function equal to parameters with a lambda function. That is the shorthand function, guys. And if you want to learn without parenthesis also, just in it will come in only one line, right? So that is the arrow function. This is all our comma script in 2015, guys. That means in ES6. Next one is template literals. What does it mean of template literals? Means in the backcodes, guys. You have in backcodes in your keyboard, and you can check it in the first one. So traditional string concatenation, how it should be: constant name equal to John, constant greeting equal to hello plus name, and console.log in greeting and hello John. Using template literals and constant name one equal to John and constant greet two. Here see I put in backtick, guys. That backtick hello name is coming, and then output is hello John. It will come as usual. So it's very important, guys. This one also a comma script 2015, that means in ES6 feature. So next ES6 feature is destructuring of JavaScript, guys. This is very important. You should learn in before learn the reactJs. So basic array destructuring, how you are going to do even object or normal array or anything else, guys, and you need to destructure. See here I destructured constant first, second, fourth, third, whatever it may be, guys, and numbers, and just I displayed over here, and then swapping the variables using the array destructuring here. So this is another ES6 feature, guys. Next ES6 feature is the spread operator. How you are going to use it? Spread operator, dot dot dot, three dots are there. That is the spread operator. Constant numbers equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Ultimately you should use that one constant more numbers equal to dot 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 numbers 4 comma 5 comma 6. The output is should be 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is the spread operator. Another ES6 feature is JavaScript classes. What are the JavaScript classes? JavaScript classes is a blueprint of the object. You know, everybody knows about that one in normal OOPS concept. And this OOPS concept is introduced in ES6 feature in classes. That one is the class rectangle should contain the constructor width and height, and this dot width equal to width, this dot height equal to height. And next is just you can write in one method inside of the class, that is the method to calculate area, and you can utilize that calculate area wherever you want to rectangle. Here I created this class in object, same like in a new object in new instance, that rectangle 1 dot width and rectangle 2 dot calculated area. So that is the very important, guys. And before learning this this feature also is very important. You should learn before learn the reactJs. Next is the promises. Promises are very important, guys. And what is the promises and how to use in JavaScript? Like in promises have consuming code and producing code, guys. That's the promises. Promises have the instance, like an object is going to create a new promise. That one it will take two arguments. Number one argument is the resolve and reject and set timeout, and I wrote it, guys. And my promise is taking then and catches the error, and then is going to create a promise and resolve the promise resolved. Next is async and avoid, guys. And why is required in async and avoid? Another feature. So async and avoid better to write in promises. So if you're just call the fetch data, so how I called it in here, guys, async function fetch data, and then try, and then I put it in here response equal to avoid pitch, and that constant avoid is response.json, and return data if it is there in errors, I catch and error, and I console it and throw the error. Next feature is very important feature, guys, is the map. As usual, like in if you are writing any written any JSX element, in that JSX element you should use the map element while calling the fetch data. So how you are going to use it in the map is going to return the value, guys, like in single value. So once you are getting the data, so suppose for example here I wrote it constant numbers array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and double the numbers dot map and number. See, each number is coming and return that number into 2. Then it is going to be double about that map. These are all the features, guys, in JavaScript and before jumping on to learn the react.js. So I hope you understanding what you need to learn before learning the react.js. That's all, guys. And for beginners specifically, I made it this video for beginners. I'm going to do the crash course for the react.js. That's what, and I made it this one, guys. And just you can go through in before jumping onto my crash course of the react. That's all, guys. And if you like this content, and please subscribe my channel. That's all, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.